J-Hope, Mona Lisa. Now I heard good things about this. Oh, you hear the dogs? The dogs are really wanting this too, to be very honest. My girlfriend Hedgen was like, yo, you're gonna like this. So I was like, bitch, stop. I didn't call her a bitch because that's weird. But you know, in my mind I was like, bitch, stop. You really think so? I was like, yeah. Let's get into this. J-Hope, Mona Lisa official MV. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Pop. Got him. Still got it. OG K-pop fan right here. OG Army. What's happening? Whose back of the head is that? Dang, with the Louis Vuitton. Dang, with the pants. Oh, you got some stains on your pants. Oh. Hold up. That felt like some R&B, but like some Bruno Mars-esque. Do it again. Wait, hold on. You gotta hit that one more time. Hey, if you don't do that when that comes in, ooh, yeah. What you trying to blow? Yeah. Okay. Okay. J-Hope. Hey. Validate. Hey. 1 + 9. What does that equal? 10. I did math. How she got me going? I might blow it. What we blowing? Wait, ain't this kid from not React to the K, but the React channel? I don't think so. Maybe not. It's not the same kid. Maybe it isn't. I don't think that's him. I don't think that's him. Dre. Okay, back to J-Hope. Is that toilet paper behind you? Okay, I see you. Okay. Oh, what? Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, this is killing. Did he body roll on that shit? Walk it. Hey, don't be stripping out now. You know, we can't handle that. Stop it, J-Ho. I see your face. Look at you. Oh, okay, grill. Oh, shit. We changing up the color? What? My type. Woo! Ooh, 3. Hey, yo, you can't be just doing that in my face. I'm telling you, I'm gonna act a fool. I am taking J-Hope. 2, 1, get it. Fine. 1 + 9. Hey, going. Yeah. Mona Lisa. Wait a second, let me see that move. So he went. Oh, he went. And then he did that. Okay. Thank you. Oh, he's smooth with it too. Hey. Interesting move right there. Like the whole, like it goes. Bro, where am I supposed to look, bro? You got freaking Mona Lisa on your above your crotchicles, pants be sparkling, and respectfully, I'm gonna look at the pants. Shit, bright. That shit go hard. I love it. Hey, ooh, hey, ooh, hey, get it. Here we going. J-Hope knowing he extra fine. Oh, that's fire. Yo. J-Hope, Mona Lisa. Bro. Am I gonna be able to go to a J-Hope concert? I'm not sure, but if I do, I'll catch you there. Fine. 1 + 9. What we blowing though? In the face. girls like a painting. Hey, depends on the painting. Depends on the painting, because I seen some like scary paintings out there. J-Hope, just letting you know, like there's some scary looking paintings out there that I don't want. I get what you mean. I get you mean, like the good type of paintings. So fine. 1 plus 9, that equals 10, because 1 plus 9 equals 10. If you didn't know, I'm just trying to help you as, like, you know, just think of me as like your older brother trying to teach you how to do math, and you're like this freaking 2-year-old. What? Yeah. We reckon. What we going? You next? What's she holding you down on? Like how she's so sexy and you obsessed? The way you body roll too. But she hold me down? Damn, you showing off them jeans so nice. Or maybe it did change, but then they deepened it. Damn, what the fuck you body rolling on there? Calling. I bet your exes is calling if they see me. I'm letting you know. Talk your shit, J-Hope. The way you look, I understand the hype. What we doing? My type, Hey. Yeah. He's swinging that shit. That's crazy. That's dangerous. You can't be just swinging that shit like that, J-Hope. That's people not ready for that. You know, I mean, we've been doing it for years. Like, you know, like you be doing like them thrusters and stuff, but you can't just be like swinging that shit. I'm gonna take a second look though. Replay. Pop. Yeah, 1 plus the 9, that equals 10. That equals 10, y'all. That equals 10. I'm just letting you know. All right, I'm ending it. That shit's my vibe. I'm added to the playlist. All right.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Sound with my dub, right? Sound with my dub, right? Sound with my dub, right? Smash.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now.